All right, to get started with this fun activity, we're going to find the middle of our page and coming way over here, I'm going to draw a half circle going up and over. Now right across the bottom of the circle from here to here, I'm going to draw a curved line like a happy face. Next, I want to leave a little space. I'm going to come up from here, and I'm going to do a follow along line following that happy face I just made all the way to the other side. Now, starting over on this side, I'm going to come just above the line I just made, and I'm going to make a line that just curves out and down towards the edge of my paper. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, starting just a little bit above it. I'm going to do a line curving out and down. And then from this side over here, all the way over here, I'm going to do another big giant curved line like a happy face. There we go. Now inside this strip right here, I'm going to make some circles. I'm going to leave about a finger space between each of my circles so they're nice and spread out. There we go. Now right here in the middle, I'm going to draw a U. Right underneath this line, I'm going to draw another U. Right under this side, I'm going to draw another U. And coming down, just towards the outside of this one, I'm going to draw a diagonal coming out. And on the other side, a diagonal coming out. Same thing over here from this side. I'm leaving a little space and then it comes down. And from the outside, down. I'm going to do the same thing over here, starting on this side, diagonal, and on the outside, coming down. Now up here, I'm going to do a follow along line with another very tiny follow along line. And that's it. There we have our UFO. Well, all that's left to do is to color. I bet your UFO turned out just as awesome as mine. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can learn more about all our activities and educational fun.